Welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike, and guess what time it is? It's time for some taco soup. If you're not a subscriber, please take a second to subscribe to our channel right now. It really helps us out. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back. Now let's get back on to cooking taco soup. Hey guys, this is not your regular taco soup. Everything from here to here is what you would normally use for taco soup. But today, we're going to show you how to kick it up a big notch when we add in these ingredients. So what do we have here? Let me show you. We have some ancho chilies, we have a host of seasonings, and we have some tomatillos. Those are beautiful little Mexican tomatoes, and we're gonna just blend these babies up. Wait till you see how this works. It's gonna be great. All right, to start making this great taco sauce that we've been telling you about, we're just simply gonna peel the leaves off of the tomatillos, cut them in half like that, and put them in boiling water. And we're going to do all the rest of them the same way. In this bag of ancho chili pods, there were 6 ancho chilies, and this is what we're going to do with them. We have to remove the seeds and the stem, so watch how I do that. There's a couple of ways you can do it. You can go straight up the middle with your scissors and right next to the stem, and then open it up, pull the stem off. We're throwing that away, and then spread the ancho chili pepper open and just let all the seeds fall out. If they're stuck, just pull them off with your fingernail. And do both sides. It's really not hard to do. Unless they get sticky and they don't want to come off easy, and that happens. But, you know, it's really not that difficult, and it's worth the effort. Okay, I just did one, and now I'll do all the rest of them. Now all we do is just put all of that into a pot of boiling water. That would be 8 cups of water. And we'll turn the heat up. We'll get it boiling good. What we're going to do now is just let that simmer until all the peppers and the tomatillos are real soft. And that could be about 20 minutes. When we come back, we're going to add in all of our spices and make sure it's all mixed in good, and then we're going to blend it. So give me about 20 minutes. Can you see how the peppers are really soft and just falling apart now? That's how we want it. We're going to put in a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of cumin, a tablespoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. And we'll just mix it all together. And I've done this enough. I know these ingredients like the back of my hand. So now we'll take the top of the blender and just start putting everything in. And once we get everything in, we're going to blend it for about 30 seconds, maybe a minute. Now here's the reason why I'm not blending it very long, because we're using a Vitamix. In 30 seconds, everything in this pot will be pureed. Okay, we're going to pour all the rest of the liquid. And we're going to go ahead and blend this for 30 seconds. And we'll see in about 30 seconds. It is pureed. And that is how easy it is. I'm just going to taste it. If you want to adjust any of the spices at this point, it would be a good time to do it. Now, I feel that it would need a little salt right now, but I'm not going to put it in because I want to wait till everything's together to add the rest of the salt. So it tastes great. I'm just going to put this on the stove, and then we're going to go on to making the rest of the taco soup. There's quite a few ingredients here. We have taco seasoning, ranch seasoning, pinto beans, diced chilies, ranch style beans, kernel corn, tomatoes. Man, let me tell you, it is so much. I'm going to put all of that in the description. And we got 1.5 pounds of ground beef. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and cut up this onion, and we'll get that coarse chopped, and we're going to put that in with the meat and saute it all down. Let me get this baby cut up. In with the onions. Preheated 7-quart Dutch oven. In with 1.5 pounds of 80/20. Chop it up. Mix it together. Smelling good. So what we're going to do right now is put in our diced tomatoes. These are the things that do not need to be drained. Diced tomatoes. This was the with the green chilies. This one was without the green chilies. Actually, these are fire roasted. Fire roasted, good stuff. Ranch style beans. Get them babies in there. Now, here's pinto beans, regular pinto beans. Let's get all the juice out of that, okay? Don't need it. All right. Put that in. Let's get some sweet corn. We don't need the water that's in the can. Okay, there you go. Let's put that in. And we have some cut green beans. Love cut green beans. Oh, look, there's a wild deer over there. Let's mix this up. Okay, pretty thick. Let's go ahead and put in some taco seasoning. All right, let's just pour that in. 1 whole pouch. And some Hidden Valley ranch seasoning. Look at that. Hey, gotta have a little Dos Equis. Okay, we got our Dos Equis in there. We're gonna let this come back up to heat. Bring that heat back up a little bit. We're cooking now, y'all. You notice how thick it is? It's not really a soup right now, right? You know why? We need more liquid. So let's go in with the taco liquid. Here we go. Look at that sauce. All right, now check this out. How much do you put in? Now, I'm going to say it's up to you. It started out as 2 quarts. It's probably not quite 2 quarts right now, but it's up to you. What I would do is just pour some in. Now look at the color changing on that, right? Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. You're going to have some left over, no doubt about it. But it's totally up to you as to how liquidy you want it. And hey, look, it's supposed to be a soup, not a stew. So let's add a little bit more. And we're going to let this cook for about 20 to 30 minutes And then we're going to come back and let you see how good this is. I'm telling you, this smells so good. The aroma is just filling the house with taco soup. It's amazing. So I like my soup hot, so I'm going to go in and grab some right now. My mouth is watering. I can just taste it now. It looks so good. My goodness. Oh, man. That is beautiful. So I think I want to go in with some Mexican cheese first. Put a little bit of that on. I think I'm going to go in with my sour cream next. A little dollop in the middle. And, oh, got to put some chips in there. Put a few chips in. Like that. And I think I'm ready to eat. Check out that awesome cheese pull. Oh yeah. Just mix my sour cream into that taco soup. And here we go. Oh, that is so good. It's amazing. The flavors in this taco soup are just outstanding. Outstanding. I'm just going to sit here and eat this until it's all gone. But I'm telling you, this is so good. You guys have to try this recipe. It's fabulous. That sauce is off the hook. I'm telling you, it's amazing. It adds so much flavor to your taco soup. It's crazy awesome. So guys, look, thank you so much for watching the Sandra's Kitchen. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now. If you have, God bless you. We're glad you tuned in to watch our taco soup recipe. Let me know in the comments how you like it if you try it. And as I always say, have a great week and God bless you.